Hi everyone, my name is William and I'm one of the founders of Sweep. Sweep is an AI-powered junior developer. We turn GitHub issues into pull requests with code using GPT-4. Recently, we've been focusing on Python because Sweep itself is written in Python. As a matter of fact, this is our main code orchestrator, which turns a user request, a issue or a ticket, to a pull request. So it will search through your code base, as you see here. It will write the code, also run the code, as you see here, and then finally, it will review the code. Today I asked Sweep to take the search logic and pull request logic out of the onTicket method. We're going to refactor this function called onTicket, which, as you see here, is over 1,400 lines long. It's really hard for GPT-4 to do this out of the box, but we recently introduced Rope, a Python library for refactoring, to Sweep. So now Sweep can use Rope to refactor your code. Shout out to the Rope team. Let's take a look at what Sweep was able to do. I asked it to refactor the code, and it wrote this PR which defines a new function called fetch relevant files. So fetch relevant files takes the previous code, which searches over your code base, reports any errors and other issues, and also does some telemetry, and moves it down here. And as you can see, this is an exact copy, and actually has a clean refactor. All the variables that are needed are input to the function, and only the variables that are required are returned. So first, Sweep did this refactor using Rope, and then we ran our formatter on it, which cleans up the code. And we did the same for the review code function. This is also about 50 lines of code, and as you can see, it probably doesn't need to be in the main code. It could be refactored. So we extracted into this new review code method, which, much like the other one, only has the results that we need. It has all the inputs that we need and all the results. And finally, we also ran a formatter on this. So after Sweep ran through our code and refactored it, we end up with this over 250 line PR, which takes out the fetch relevant files logic, as well as the review code logic. It makes our main code that much cleaner. In the future, we can also move these to other files and even create new files based on what we need to do. Nice work, Sweep.